Hi, a common question that I hear is how do I check my coolant level? Sometimes referred to as radiator fluid, sometimes referred to as antifreeze. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now there's a couple of different systems, and so checking it is actually different. Sometimes we have a cap on the radiator. This car does not have one. Sometimes we have a cap on the engine, which is what this car has. And then the two main types of systems are we either have an overflow tank, which is what this one is, and if you look, this is just a little flip cap, okay? If we have a pressure cap like this, on top of this, it's called a surge tank. So when we check a radiator or the coolant level on a car, first of all, I want you to do it when the engine's cold. So first thing in the morning before it's been started, because we don't want any injuries. We can look at the level in the overflow and it's okay, but on this car, because it's an overflow type system, that may not indicate what's actually in the car. So we would actually have to pull this cap off and check it here. If it's a surge tank system, which is the one with the pressure cap on it, then we would literally just look at the level in there. The level will rise a little bit after it's warmed up, and it will drop a little bit when it's cold. If we're checking it in the radiator or in the cap like this, it should be pretty much right up at the top, and then we should still have a little bit in the overflow as well. So I hope that helps you understand how to check your system. You're always free to stop by the shop and I'll show you as well. So until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.